Welcome to LeadCarnival. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a campaign and build an outreach sequence after adding your LinkedIn account in LeadCarnival. Step 1. Create a campaign and add leads. To get started, click on Campaign on the left and create a new campaign. Now give your campaign a name. I'll name this one as Lead Generation. Next, LeadCarnival will ask you how you want to add leads to this campaign. There are multiple options: LinkedIn Basic Profile Search, LinkedIn Sales Navigator Search, Post Engagement Search,
Group Members Search, Event Engagement Search,
Paste LinkedIn Profile URLs, CSV Upload, Google Sheets Integration, or use your existing first-degree connections. For this tutorial, we'll choose LinkedIn Basic Search. Simply go to LinkedIn, perform your search, and copy the LinkedIn search URL. Paste it here inside LeadCarnival and click Validate URL. As you can see, it found 21 leads. Now give this lead list a name. I'll call it Lead Gen 1, as we can add more lists later for an existing campaign. Click Create to add it to the campaign. Step 2. Add sequence. Now we'll attach a sequence to this campaign. You can choose from an existing template or create a new sequence. In this example, we'll click Smart Builder to create a new sequence from scratch. Click Add Step and select the action you want to start with. We'll begin with Send an Invite to send connection requests to our leads. Now write your connection request message here. You can use dynamic variables like first name, company name, or job title for personalization. You can also use Icebreaker AI, and AI will scan the prospect's profile and write personalized sentences about the prospect. You can use a fallback message if there is a lack of variables. You can also enable A/B testing to test different messages. LeadCarnival supports up to 5 total A/B messages, and we always recommend using A/B messages to get rid of spam trigger from LinkedIn. Next, let's add a follow-up step. Click Add Step again and choose to send a message when someone accepts our invitation. Write your first follow-up message here. Again, you can use A/B testing for better results. LeadCarnival allows you to build smart multi-channel automation with conditions. For example, if someone does not accept your invitation, after a few days, you can like their recent post, view their profile, send an in-mail, or send an email. Let's add another step if they don't accept our invitation. Select If Open Profile condition and then choose Send In-mail. In order to send free open in-mail, your profile needs to be a Sales Navigator profile. Write your subject line and in-mail message here. If the profile is not open, you can add an email step or withdraw your invitation. Important note: if your sequence uses a Send Invitation step, you must include a Withdraw Invitation step somewhere in the sequence. Otherwise, the sequence cannot be saved. When you're done, click Save Sequence, or you can also save it as a template to reuse later. Step 3. Campaign Settings. Before launching, review campaign settings. Choose whether to connect with profiles that have no profile picture, select your sender email if you have an email step in the sequence, and choose your campaign schedule, run now or schedule for later. Launch campaign. Once everything looks good, click Save and Launch. That's it. Your campaign is now live and will run automatically based on your time zone settings. Thanks for watching this LeadCarnival tutorial. If you want more tutorials, tips, or automation strategies, subscribe to our channel or visit LeadCarnival.com.